Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And before we pull the next card, I wanted to share with you a little more information about the country of Colombia. And I can tell you so much more about the country than what you may stereotypically think of. It's not Pablo Escobar, it's not cartels and cocaine. It is a modern, beautiful, lush country. It's actually located in the northwestern part of the South American continent. It's the only country in South America that has a Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea coastline. And it's actually the second most biodiverse country in the world after Brazil. It actually has more birds than North America and Europe combined. And the other unique aspect, I can tell you a couple more. My favorite author, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, author of 100 Years of Solitude. If you ever get a chance to read it, read it. The fictional town in the book is called Macondo, but he's from a town called Aracataca. And the town actually had a referendum to rename itself after the fictional town of its hometown hero in that novel that he wrote, because it's famous author, and that's their hometown. So they wanted to rename themselves. It didn't go through. It didn't get voted through, but it's just a unique fact about the country itself. Also, like many countries in the world, football is taken seriously, like next up level serious when it comes to especially World Cup matches. So local governments within Colombia sometimes impose dry laws depending on the match to kind of stop and prevent violence that may erupt if, for example, Colombia may lose or Colombia may even win. So it's something that happens in some local municipalities in Colombia. So they take their football very seriously. I know I do. I don't take it to that point, but I do. So for the next card I wanted to share with you and pull it, it is El Craft Beer. El Craft Beer. It's not Dos Equis. It's not Miller Time. It is El Craft Beer. So if you have it on your board, mark it down, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Ciao.